Hello guys, this is Keys. On CMC Daily, we have BTC back above $65,000. So we're going to be looking at this article from CoinMarketCap's blog. Article was written by Connor Sefton. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe if you find this upload beneficial, informative, guys. We'll be giving a giveaway for our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to stay tuned to the end and be part of the giveaway. So in table of contents, we have the biggest best crypto news ever. Seriously bullish week close. Pet charity gets huge ETH donation. Jimmy Fallon buys body NFT. Coinbase's new social trading. SEC rejects sports ETF application. AMC sells movie tickets for crypto. The new stats reveal who owns crypto in US. So these are some of the news we'll be looking at. We also have a CoinMarketCap podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, guys. So you want to check these podcasts out. It's usually very informative and beneficial for crypto users. So a seriously bullish weekly week close. So over the weekend, analysts had warned that Bitcoin needed to close the week above $64,800. So for bullish momentum to remain, this milestone looked unlikely until late on Sunday night, with 1 hour to go until the deadline. So BTC surged to $65,500, later topping off at $66,127. The prices later cooled off, but some analysts are now confident that BTC has a chance to advance to $70,000 or $80,000. So it was a big weekend for other reasons, with the Taproot upgrade coming into force on Sunday. So Pet Charity gets huge ETH donations. So Pet Charity has received one of the largest cryptocurrency donations in Scottish history. Edinburgh Dog and Cat Home received 26 ETH worth $121,784 as of Monday morning. The funds will ensure that the organization's pet food bank service can run for a whole of 2022. The Portfolio, a crypto project that supports animal welfare organizations, made the donation. So the home runs a pause pantry that supplies pet food, colors, and bedding to food banks across Scotland. So Jimmy Fallon buys Bored Ape NFT. So Jimmy Fallon has bought his very first NFT. The popular talk show host revealed is now the proud owner of a Bored Ape. So he was speaking to Beeple, the digital artist, who has made tens of millions of dollars by selling NFT tokens. So Fallon said he used MoonPay to complete the transaction, describing it as paper but for crypto. So a screenshot on Twitter indicates that he is the proud owner of Bored Ape 599, one of the 10,000 in existence. So Coinbase's new social trading tools Coinbase is now rolling out new social trading through a share button will allow customers to tell others about their strategies. So you can check out these news there live on CoinMarketCap. Uh, I'm dropping the link directly so you can get access to this. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you find this informative. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. See you in our future uploads. Stay safe, and you can also check out these videos with these news updates. We've done a video tutorial on them, so you can check them individually on our playlist. So one love, guys. Peace out and stay safe.